What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review, and welcome to another walk around of the Honda CB Hornet. And this is the Hornet 2.0. This comes with the 180cc 4-stroke SI engine, which is BS6 compatible, and this one delivers around 17 bhp of power at 6000 rpm, and it also has 5-speed gearing. The best thing about the bike is the weight. It is just 142 kgs, so that is very interesting. The tank capacity is 12 liters, and it has a ground clearance which is 167 mm. The overall height of the vehicle also is really nice. It is 783 mm, and the overall length is 2047 mm. The bike comes with only a self-start motor, but doesn't come with a kickstart. 5-speed gearing. It gives this show-off upside-down suspension, and this is the selling point of the vehicle, especially in this 180cc and 160cc category vehicles. You don't get this kind of a front suspension, which gives very nice confidence, and it also gives very good cornering capabilities. The tires are tubeless, and the front, I believe, is the 17-inch unit, which is 110 by 70, and the rear is a chunky 140 mm rear tire. Both are tubeless, and it comes with a single channel ABS. The front is a pedal disc, and this is the hubless motor, so hubless design. So basically you don't have a hub, and the ABS ring and the sensor. So this is the 180cc motor, 5-speed gearing, fuel injection, and it comes with the Honda claimed HET technology, which is BS6 compatible. The suspension in the rear is the mono suspension. I think it is 7-step adjustable, and the chunky side mounted rear exhaust pipe. It also has a bassier sound note. I would be doing a test drive. At that time I'll show you the sound note of this. And also the rear brake is the pedal disc unit. The styling is unlike the regular Hornet. It comes with all the cuts and creases. It has a split seat layout, and the seat cushioning is also really nice. Yes, super. So let's quickly take the test ride of the vehicle. So the Hornet comes with the best thing about the vehicle is that it comes with all LED lights. The rear tail is an LED unit. The turn indicators are LED. The front headlight is also LED, and it also turn indicators are LED. So taking the test drive of the Hornet 2.0, it comes with the, it has a side stand indicator, right? Side stand indicator.
Side stand?
Indicator. Yep. So comes with the side stand indicator. I think this vehicle is in neutral. So ignition on. And yep, it has the hazard lights as well. The switchgear quality looks pretty good. It comes with the pass switch as well, and high beam, and the turn indication and cancel on, and the electric start button. So let's crank it up. Yep, so pretty good. So it has a very nice sound. So the Hornet 2.0 comes with a very refined engine. It is really nice to drive this vehicle, and the best thing about the vehicle is the weight. So it is really agile and very practical. I would say very nimble to ride, because the weight is just 142 kgs, and if you can see, the headlight doesn't protrude much, and this is a perfect naked styling. And yeah, the suspension, especially the front upside down suspension from Showa, does the duties very well. The front slightly dies down, but again, the rear suspension is on the firmer side. Ideally, you know, if you're a single person, this vehicle would be perfect, as I have a companion as well, and hence it is slightly, I'm not able to test it to its true limits. But the engine seems to be very refined. The gearing also seems to be very nice. So the first two, three gears are high revving, and then yep, you can see that the fourth and fifth gear, you know, it's more on the cruising side. But if you want to downshift and then go a little high, then I think the first two gears are first, second, third gears are really meant for quick pickups. So in some videos I've checked it out that this can do an easy maximum speed of around 110. So that is also a good thing, and you can stay there. But again, considering that it is a single 180cc engine, revving that would going to the maximum limit and revving it and keeping it over there can put slight stress on the engine. The gearing also is really crisp and smooth. And yep, the headlight throw also, let me show that to you, because it's an all LED unit. So the headlight throw also is good. Right now it's not that dark, so I'm not able to judge it, but yes, you have the high beam flasher as well. Right now I switched on the hazard light. So as I said, it is really nice to drive, and the fifth gear, the fourth and the fifth gear are slotted very wide, and yes, you can do certainly highway cruising. Claimed mileage is somewhere between the ballpark of 38 to 45. It also depends on how you drive it, but yeah, the gearing is smooth, man. It's buttery smooth, like any other Honda. And yep, I think the pricing is where this would you know, be considered, mainly because the competition that it will go through is not only the 160s, but it will go through the competition which is for the 260 class as well, and the on-road price is somewhere between 1,67,000. so that is a hefty price. So considering this vehicle will only be on two choices, one is the Honda reliable engine, the second thing is the lightweight nature of this vehicle. So these are the two things that for which you should be going for, and the rest all I guess the other competitors in the segment might offer a little more than what this vehicle is offering. Like for example, the NS, it is 200cc, comes with 6-speed gearing, and yeah, it also has very powerful engine. So anyhow, the younger brother, which is the X Blade, that is costing around 1,40,000+, so around 10 to 15,000 difference between this and that. So that could also be another choice, 20cc more than this, but yeah, for this 15-20,000 you can get a you know, considerably little more of a bike, mainly for mainly that you know, you get the styling. So it gets the underseat cowl, sorry, the underbelly cowl. Doesn't get any oil cooling as such, but yeah, it gets the center stand as well. Exposed chain, and this chain has some seal mechanism where it doesn't prevent the chains to fall off. So that's also there. The Honda 2.2 badging, for my liking, I think for people who are close to 6 feet, the footrest is slightly on the higher side, and also the gearing, if you see, it's more on the flat foot side. But apart from that, I think I felt that the footrest position can be little sporty because it's too upright, and I like the cuts and creases of the vehicle, so that's also very nice. So top three things which I like of the vehicle is the engine smoothness, the refinedness, the Honda badging, and the main thing is the lightweight nature of the vehicle. Probably what this could have been done better is to offer a sixth gear, a little more powerful engine, and the pricing for 1,67,000. This is slightly more of a bike, but yes, if you are purely a Honda fan, I think this could be a proper choice. I like the chunky tires as well, and also the hazard lamp is also LED. So this was a slight walk around video of my review, and also I would show you what is there on the instrumentation console. So you have the trip A, trip B, the battery volt indicator, that's new, the gear indicator also is there, and the fuel indicator. So everything is loaded into this. They also have the ABS indicator as well as the turn by turn telltale lights, so that also is integrated very nicely over here. So all in all, it's a good package, and the indicators are the flex type one, so it's a good package. I would like to thank Wings Honda Bangalore to give this bike for test drive, and yeah, that's what this review is all about. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.